After recognition, we come to realize that there will be no more next weeks, no more lunch together with our classmates, no more street foods after class, and no more moments of breaking down with them. It is in this realization that someday we will look back on this moment with sadness, as this chapter of our lives will only be a part of our stories. This though feels sad because as we grow older, we realize that our paths may go in different directions.
Kayaan tayo'y nagkatagpuan, may mga sariling gimmick at kanya-kanyang hangad sa buhay. Sa ilalim ng isang bubong, mga sikretong ibinubulong, kahit na anong mangyari, kahit na saan ka man patungo.
Goodbye and thank you, Teacher Donnie Joy and Bergonia. See you around.